Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're getting the frustrating "there was a problem resetting your PC" error on Windows 10 or 11, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through several fixes to get your computer back to a fresh start. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future tech tips. Now, let's get this sorted. So, why does this error even happen? The most common reason is that your Windows recovery image is corrupted. This can be caused by anything from a virus or malware to essential system files being damaged or deleted. Other potential culprits include a faulty Windows recovery environment, incorrect recent changes to your PC, or even not enough disk space for the reset to complete. But don't worry, we have a number of troubleshooting steps you can take, and we'll start with the simplest ones first. First things first, a simple restart can sometimes resolve unexplained glitches. It's a quick step and different from a reset, so it's worth a shot before moving on to more complex solutions. If a restart doesn't do the trick, the next step is to use some of Windows' built-in repair tools. We're going to start with the System File Checker, or SFC scan. This tool will scan for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files. To do this, you'll need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Just search for CMD in your Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Once it's open, type SFC Scano and hit Enter. Let the scan run to completion and don't close the window. If it finds and repairs any errors, try resetting your PC again. If the SFC scan doesn't solve the problem, our next step is to use the DISM, or Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool. This can fix corruption in the Windows image itself. In the same administrator command prompt window, type DISM online, cleanup image, restore health, and press enter. This process can take a little while, so be patient. Once it's done, restart your computer and try the reset again. Still no luck? Let's try working with the Windows recovery environment, also known as WinRe. Sometimes simply disabling and then re-enabling it can clear up the issue. In an administrator command prompt, type reagent C, disable, and press enter. Then type reagent C, enable, and press enter. After that, restart your PC and attempt the reset one more time. Another great tool at your disposal is Startup Repair. This can fix issues that are preventing Windows from starting properly, which might be the root cause of the reset failure. To access this, you'll need to get to the Advanced Startup Options menu. In Windows 11, go to Settings, Our System, Recovery, and click Restart Now next to Advanced Startup. In Windows 10, it's under Settings, Update and Security Recovery. Once you're in the Advanced Startup menu, navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the tool do its work. If you've created a system restore point in the past, now is a great time to use it. This will roll back your system's state to a time before the problems began, which might be all you need to do to allow the reset to work. You can find the System Restore option in the same Advanced Options menu as Startup Repair. For those of you who are still stuck, the final and most definitive solution is to perform a clean installation of Windows. This will wipe your drive and install a fresh copy of the operating system, so it's crucial to back up any important data before you proceed. You can create a bootable USB drive with the Windows installation media from Microsoft's official website. This process will give you a completely fresh start and is almost certain to resolve the reset error. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing the "there was a problem resetting your PC" error. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. Let us know in the comments below which fix did the trick. And if you have any other questions, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.